Hello guys, so today guys we have another vlog, and today's vlog, this is the first vlog on 2023 or 2023. Yes guys, again we will check the new camera, which is Sony ZV-1. So we're using Sony ZV-1 now, and we will test the camera and the audio. Actually audio we're using Holy Land microphone M1, but we will check the video quality of this camera guys. So yan, again let's check the focusing point. This is more 425 focusing point than the previous ZV-1, and this is more lighter, and the lens is 20 millimeter. Compare for the ZV-1, it's 24, so this is 20 millimeter. Yeah. Again, we will check and compare this the camera from Sony ZV-1 and Sony ZV-1F. So this is Sony ZV-1F. So we will try to make some sample video. So let's go. Yeah. So again, 20 millimeter lens, compare for the 24 millimeter wide lens of the Sony ZV-1, and we will check also the focusing from Sony ZV-1 and Sony ZV-1F. Tama ba? O V1F. Medyo nakakalito. Again, this is our first vlog on 2023. Yan. So again guys, so this is the video quality of the new Sony ZV-1F camera. Yan. See? Ito siya guys. If you want again to test and try the camera, you can visit us here in Mega Store AAB World Symphony. Yeah, this is the new Sony ZV-1F. Again guys, so let's try to compare the focusing of the Sony ZV-1 and Sony ZV-1F. So let's go. Yan, shout out. We have a new pantry now guys. Hindi na kami kung saan kumakain na, di ba? Yan, shout out kay Palaboy Ofw. What do you think? And Happy New Year. Happy first vlog sa 2023. Yan. Ikaw bay, nag-upload ka na bay? Mamaya daw, mag-upload siya. Ewan ko ano may upload to. Wala namang binablog. Sarado. Okay, sarado na sa office. Again, this is our AAB World Pantry. Yan, social na bunga nga namin ngayon guys. Di ba? Meron na kaming pantry, di ba? Oo, pwede ka lang tumambay dito, magkape. Yan. Kumain. Shoutout kay Ernesto sa cake. Yan. Ang masabi mo sa camera ba eh? Ha? Sony ZV-1F?
Para sa akin, gusto ko itong camera to.
Ako, mas gusto ko itong cake na to.
Kasi napakaliit lang. Tapos wide na wide siya, 20.
20, no? 20. Ang Sony ZV-1, 24.
24-70.
Oh. 24.
Hindi.
May zoom ba?
May zoom yun. 24 sa ano yun.
17.
Ito, prime lens to. Pro vlogging to na compact. Daldal ako ng daldal, wala pa. Walang size sinakay kanina eh. Hindi, maganda itong ZV-1F kasi 20mm. Gusto ko nga bilhin to dapat ngayong ano ko eh. Kaso wala eh, kulang yung pera ko eh. Mura na yan ha. Sa mura yan sa professional vlogging. ZV-1F. Wide angle lens, mga lods. Happy New Year sa lahat mga idol.
Check mo yung channel ba eh?
Check mo yung channel ko. Channel ko?
Oo.
Check yung channel ko mga lodi. Palaboy Ofw. Yun o. Ang ganda rin ng tracking niya, no? Dalawa. Tingnan mo. Sa'yo yung face, sa akin yung eye tracking. Tingnan mo. Di ba? At least dalawa in focus na same time. Kumpara nung una o isang subject yung na natatrack.
Tao na?
Hindi natin alam. Try natin mamaya. Ay nga dual, oh, pati eye tracking, dalawa eh. Oh. Galing. Ang galing ng focusing. Ito yung pinakamaganda sa Sony system, yung focusing nila tsaka yung tracking. Kaya maraming YouTuber tsaka kasi mabilisan lang sa focus.
Magkano ba sa Pinas, Philippines?
169.
Sa atin, 169 sa Philippines.
Sa Pilipinas? Ano, i-convert lang natin?
Hindi, check mo kung magkano sa Pilipinas.
Okay, Sony
ZV-1F.
Sony ZV.
42,000?
Hindi, ZV-1 yun. Mahal.
Grabe, 42,000.
ZV-1 pa lang yun ha. Wala pa ngayon.
Ang gustong biling beer na nun. Marami na malalasing sa atin. 42,000.
Ay, wala pa sila. Wala pang updated. ZV-1 pa lang mayroon. Sa Henry's camera kaya.
Yung nga lang, distort yung baso. Nadi-distort yung baso.
Hindi, dito banda sa gilid na.
Ayan. 20mm. Check na lang natin kung magkano sa Philippines. Comment nyo na lang dyan guys kung magkano sa Philippines ang ZV-1F.
Bakit nilagyan nila ng bracket na pala?
Yan, ang ibig sabihin yan.
Framing zone?
Hindi. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Bakit nga ba?
Siguro, hindi. Feeling ko ano yan, yung sa framing. Parang feeder sa printing.
Ayun bakit nga ba may pula dyan, di ba? Sa mga Sony user dyan.
Ito na, first time ko na may pulang lumabas eh. Ito yung pinakamasarap na tinapay na nagawa na LS na buong buhay niya.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Kasi nagmumoist eh. Yung iba kasi dry.
Try natin sa low light. Tatay labas. And again, so we will try to use in low light this camera. So again, I like the auto white balance of this camera. So actually in this area, it's very bad lights. It's mixed with the tungsten and lights and the orange, parang ganon. So ayan, let's go outside. So again guys, so this is the video quality in low light. Ayan, we are outside in the Symphony Mall or Symphony Hotel or Symphony Mall again. And ayan, it's already 8:30 in the evening. So, and guys, this is the quality of the new Sony ZV-1F in low light. And I think it's still good guys. Ayan, medyo maybe we'll see in the we'll see the output on the PC or when we edit the video. What is the quality of this camera in low light? And but in the monitors look useful. But again, we will try to check to the PC or monitor in the big screen, of course. Yeah, and again, this is the video quality of the new Sony ZV-1F. And if you are thinking to purchase for vlogging in 2023, I think this is the best compact camera that you can buy or purchase for your vlogging. Or if you are starting to make a vlog and if you are thinking to buy which camera for you, I think this is one of the best camera, the Sony ZV-1. And because first it's compact and first the size, the quality, and this is all-in-one vlogging camera in 2023. So again guys, check the camera, the new Sony ZV-1F. Yan, medyo nag-blue naman yung color natin, di ba? From orange to blue, nag-switch siya. But again, still the camera, it's a very nice camera for vlogging in 2023. Nihingal pa tayo. Ayan, winter here in Kuwait. And again, ayan, si Hussein. Where go pare? Kalas, go? Okay. Okay, from... Okay, thank you pare. And so I think that is our vlog for today. Again, this is the quality of the new Sony ZV-1 and Happy New Year. This is the first vlog for 2023 and more items or more product to introduce or to vlog or to review. But on this first day of 2023, again, this is the Sony ZV-1F. So, ayan. Again, flex time for so I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. Ang PVK 2.0. Yan, nasa sila Palaboy Ofw. Nakita nyo kanina sa screen. Si Brian Bodanar, si Julius, at si Audrey. Yan, hanggang dito lang. Again guys, if you want to check the camera, you can visit us here in, or if you want to test and check this camera, you can visit us here in Mega Showroom Symphony Mall, Basement 1. And yeah, if you want to know more about the prices and product availability of this product and all the Sony camera that we have, you can check our website www.abworld.com. So all the prices from Sony, from full frame, crop frame, compact, APS-C, name it guys, we have all here in AB World Symphony Mega Store. And also, you can visit our two showroom, the Shamia and Igayla. Yan. So, hanggang dito lang guys. Again, thank you and Happy New Year 2023.